Here at Tillson Industrial Mechanics, our highly experienced millwrights can help you with your precision laser alignments for either final placement or realignment of sensitive equipment. Our team can take care of your industrial equipment installations of any size in order to get your machinery up and into operation as quickly as possible. We provide custom base fabrications so your industrial equipment is mounted properly and safely the first time. Our team are also experts in all types of industrial maintenance, both preventative and breakdown services. We can also provide rigging services for any size industrial equipment to allow for safe relocation or dismantling. We also have a wide array of wind turbine services to keep your wind farm producing for you. With our team of highly skilled millwrights, we offer a comprehensive array of industrial services covering all of your needs from start to finish. You can count on us. Call us now at 281-339-7570. We are woman-owned and certified to meet your supplier diversity initiatives.